I want to thank my members who are with me from long time ago for beyond, and those who are with me right about now. I would like to thank Mr. Simeon Bernardez. Yes, you remember, bro? He was the one who wrote most of these songs, and I'm going to present this award to him in heaven. Tati Lopez. Yes, these guys. Bumpy. Alvin Zuniga. We also have Genie. We have Priest. These are the old members. Then I have the new members, Tugu Dread. D-Bone used to play with us. We have Lewis. We have Albert. Albert was one of the old members. Thank you. And that's why I say we have the old and the present. And right now we have Reyes, the drummer, band. Yes. And I would like to thank my family, and I would like to thank my community, the Chicago community, New York community, Philadelphia, Houston, whatever, Belize, Dangriga, Belize, Seine Bight, Hopkins. Yes. I went to PG too, I went to PG one time. Yes. Guwie, we have more, you know. Okay, this is our special night. But this, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want us to underestimate the value of this. And we want to thank the Gahfu organization for help providing this. Again, this is the city of Los Angeles acknowledging this man and for his contribution to everything he's done in Los Angeles. So definitely, thanks to Sharon and Ronnie for making this happen. But, do you mind holding this for 1 second? Yeah. Hey. When I tell you we have to do a Lifetime Achievement Award for a Belizean that has done it, 31 years ain't no joke. We are here to do it tonight. We're gonna do it tonight, okay? So I want to bring up next from Little Belize, because this is a sweet thing that we can have our entire country coming together to acknowledge this man. And I want to hand it over to a representative from Little Belize, because they also have a contribution that they want to make to the celebration. So I'm just going to hand it over right now.
All right. Yes, Mr. Guwie. So we were asked to present, actually to do a contribution for an award, and we said, yeah, sure, why not? We always, do this stuff. We love to do this. And when they said it's for Guwie, we said yes. 100 times yes. So Guwie, I just want you to know that we really do appreciate you. And let me see, I think I can put this on so I can read this. All right, so the Special Recognition Award, Paul Guwie Augustine, Little Belize Restaurant and the Belizean community at large, thank you for the impact. Thank you for the impact you have made so many lives through your cultural music and performances. On Sunday, July 28, 2024, on behalf of myself, Elaine Proby, and my partners, the Roderbergs, Laverne Smith, and Queen Lerner, we want to present this award to you.
Thank you very much for this award. I will always honor this award here. I will remember this day. I will always remember this day. And my friends, I would like to thank you for coming. And I will have to say, I love you. And now I want to do some presentation to you all, right? All right. Before we get to that, Paul Augustine Jr., bit of a yarrow, bro. Yeah. Hold this for Pops. That's why I got you with it. That's my witness son. Paul Jr. Augustine. That's And again, the ultimate award for tonight, and this is something that is going to be special.
want to Mr. Guwie, Mr. Guwie Augustine, for all the years contribution to the Belizean diaspora around the world. New York, LA, Belize, everywhere the man travel, right? So, I'm gonna call on Mr. Ronnie Figueroa, Labuga.